Hello, Mr. Krabby.
Squid.
It's gonna bite you.
Krusty the Krab.
We are in the photo hut, about to have a look at our pictures. So, we're going to see what they look like. He did quite a few. It was about half an hour he did the photo shoot. So we're going to see what they like and pick which ones we want. This is beaches. Beaches. And there, if you can see, are they underneath beaches, the 3 windows there, they have a screen there, and they have like a cinema night, don't they? They did it the other night, but we couldn't find anywhere to sit. And it was the Lion King. They were showing the Lion King, which is pretty cool. But yeah, there's the whole thing. So yeah, again, we're in the Italian again. Right, well, I'm getting the beer. So we've just swam up to the swim-up bar, isn't it? And as you can see, there's plenty of selection. You can just sit down and order whatever you want. So hopefully you can see, it's the Cookie Monster. He's walking around the pool and getting pictures taken. You gotta wave, look, gotta wave.
Street party.
This is called a street party, but we nearly just called it anything because we wasn't sure.
Party, but I think it's now called street party.
Beach party, and now it's a street party. And there's some stuff that you can buy there if you wanted to buy some things. Oh yeah, well you'll be alright. And then there's donuts and cakes and cookies. So we're going to have a wander around first before we get a plate. Junior's just getting stuck in straight away. And there's some fruit, there's some pasta, so we've got melons there, pineapple, pasta dish with different sauces. I'm not sure what's... So this is peas and rice. Peas and rice. Nice.
Caicos curry crunch.
Ooh, curry crunch. But that tastes good.
Curry dough.
What's that one?
Curry dough.
Curry dough? Oh, curry goat.
And
Mac and cheese. Oh, there. Oh, there you go.
Someone hold the phone.
No, I'm not holding your phone.
How am I supposed to? Can you please hold my phone so I can get
so we can set the things over here.
And then we're going to have a barbecue. So we've got burgers and sausages. Nice. And some more salad stuff. And we've got... So it's a good selection. And sweet corn. And then what's this? The same sort of stuff? Fish and foil. That's good. Pass the bar. Nice. Lovely.
Beef patties. I'll have plenty of those.
They look good. Look really good. What else is on the menu?
I don't know.
It's going to be salad things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then we've got
So you can make it up.
chicken market and roast chicken.
Oh, I'll get closer to it. So yeah, grilled. What's it, my? And then baked
Yeah,
chicken
fish,
inside there.
yeah.
Nice. And some salad things.
I don't really know what I want this.
Well, I think
Good
Scarlett
baked
definitely wants mac and cheese.
Yeah, and I can't put my phone anywhere.
Okay.
You can in a minute. You can in a minute. Yeah, pulled pork. Lovely. That's a nice evening. Are you two going to grab some food? We're going to get stuck in. So, happy days.
The tree it is. Let's ask this perfect stranger.
Don't be ridiculous, Bert. Nobody's perfect.
Excuse me, my good man. Can you tell me what kind of tree this is?
Ah, you must be new around here. This is a banana tree.
and I am a banana counting man. Tell me, my friend, did you ever see banana growing on banana tree?
River's gonna get ya, River's gonna get ya, River's gonna get you.
Come on, everybody! Can you feel it? That's the rhythm! Come on, sing along with me!
The one restaurant we didn't mention was Playful. Again, we didn't eat here, even though it's a table service. But we found every time you come, there's always a queue for waiting, even though there's tables. And look at all the dirty tables. I don't know if it's the sand makes the workers slower, or that they don't enjoy it, or what it is. But menu's okay. And some people love it. It's up to you to make your own mind up, but we just don't like it. It's too slow. You're there for ages, and yeah, and sitting around all them dirty tables, not for us. Thank you. Yeah, but
So I just wanted to point out, as you're going around the resort, they have these coffee machines. And you can do cappuccinos and lattes, just like water, espresso, Americano. I like Americano personally.
right, BBB sec.
Yeah. You can just get hot water and have all different types of teas.
Yeah. Sometimes they put pastries out and sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
So the thing we wanted to say about the beds is these are double beds, and you can see the size of that pillar. 2 pillars won't go side by side. So they're not quite double beds.
I don't think they are. I think they're just very large singles.
I think they're very large singles. We've obviously, there's 3 of us, so Scarlett then, excuse the absolute mess of this place, but bearing in mind we're living here, she's, I say sleeping in quotes and that, because most nights she ends up in my bed with me because she says it's more comfortable. The other good thing is the size of underneath, so nobody can see, but we've put all of our suitcases underneath there, you see, because the beds are a good height. So it gets them in out of the way. So yeah, that's another good point. The bad point is there's no UK plug sockets, as there usually is in the sandals, and there's no USBs. Apart from on that little clock radio, there's 2, and they're not great. They often don't charge, or they're slow charging. So make sure you bring your chargers.
Yeah, we use it. So we've bought one of these. Probably easily get it from Amazon or somewhere.
Yeah, you do.
So it's just the 2 forks, obviously, going in,
And
then 4
yeah.
USB. That works perfectly well.
And then we've an adapter for Europe, and we did have one for the UK, but we've lost that one.
Recording. We good? Right, in you go. I'll hold it. In the front. Feet on top. You holding it, Scarlett?
I'm trying.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Can we go again?
Get my breath back.
Oh, there they are. Yeah.
Go.
Yep.
Go. Hold on. Hold on. Definitely hold on. Get in. Hold on tight. Done?
Yeah.
So, the girls have gone and got. We keep calling it the shuffle game, but they went and you go to the sports. Is it like a sports hut thing over there? Is it? where we get that, and we're now going to play the shuffle game. Right, we're going to swim around. So there's the bar, swim up bar, and then we're going to swim round to the cave. So that is Arizona, isn't it, in there?
Yeah. It's open for lunch and dinner.
Lunch and dinner, not for breakfast.
No.
Not in Arizona, lunch and dinner.
We had lunch in there, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Oh,
Did we do a vote? Did we not?
no.
Okay, so we do a vote for Arizona now then?
Yes.
Okay, so Gina, what do you give Arizona?
I give it 7.
Yeah, I agree, 7.
7 lunch, dinner maybe 7 half.
It's good. There's a selection outside and inside. So there's a barbecue outside for dinner. Usual stuff, sausage, burgers, chicken wings.
Everyone up and steak. Everyone
Yeah,
up
steak.
on something. The steak food. And we had the T-bone steak.
Yes.
So that's why I give it slightly more for dinner than lunch, because the T-bone steaks are good.
It is good. So
Oh,
we're-
and the baked potato, actually, I think 8 for hours.
oh really? 8 is going up?
Yeah.
And then the pudding was really good, so that's 9. and the booze was really good.
The service was excellent.
Yeah, so 10 now. It's gone from,
No,
from 7 to
it's a
10.
definite 8. 8, but 7 for lunch.
Right, here we are. We've finally made it round to the cave. Well, I was going to walk through the cave actually, and then yeah.
Come on.
No, why not? Come on, Mom.
So here's the cave. So there we go. This is the Caribbean one. And there's the waterfall and the cave. It's overcast, very overcast today, isn't it? Very overcast today.
Only day.
Yeah, the only day.
Thank God.
But it's so nice getting in the pool, still.
And do you know what?
Cool.
It means that the pool is full when you walk on it.
You well?
There's one thing I wanted to say about Rash Fest. So
Sorry, what did
I
you say?
wanted to say something about Rash Fest.
Yeah.
So I burn very easily, and when we went down to the snorkeling, I brought us all Rash Vests because I know it's like a 20-minute walk and then a 20-minute walk back with seawater on you, nowhere to shower. So even just for that, bring a rash vest, because
Good idea.
the first time we came we got badly burnt.
Yeah, we did.
Did I? Yeah, we all did, even Daddy.
Even
got.
I got red because the sea salt, you see, magnifies the sun really badly.
So-
So yeah, good tip.
So you can then
Good tip.
stay down there as long as you want, because
Yeah.
you've got your rash vest.
Right, well there you go guys, that's the Caribbean swimming pool area. We're off to get a drink.
I haven't started recording.
My name is Makita. I'm the chef in the building. How are y'all doing? Everyone good so far?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna just right here with dietary on restriction. Is that true? Everyone's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's some food on this side. Yeah, man. Sing out for it. About the thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, baby. How's it looking? Looking good? All night, we gonna light it up like it's dynamite.
Look at that. Wow. She keeps eating his.
Yeah, man.